Hello guys, I'm Zepherus and today I will be telling you how the elements of the periodic table were named and what those names actually mean. In this 3-part video, I'll be going through all 118 in one take each, even the few of which don't have names. And I should warn you, there are a lot of elements named after scientists in this one, so bear with me. I'll try my best when I get to those. But first, let's start the final part, part 3, with Francium. With its 22-minute half-life, Francium's name is an obvious reference to where it was discovered, France. Radium, named for the Latin radius, meaning ray, noting the element's radioactivity. Actinium, the first element when ordered alphabetically. Actinium's name comes from the Greek actinos, meaning ray, again noting its radioactivity. Thorium, named for the Norse god Thor. Protactinium, named because it came from actinium. Simple. Uranium, named for the planet Uranus. Neptunium, named for Neptune. Plutonium, named for the then planet, now dwarf planet, Pluto. Americium, named for America. Curium, named after Marie Curie, who discovered polonium and radium. Berkelium, named after the University of California in Berkeley, California, where this element was first created. Californium, named for California for the same reason as berkelium. Einsteinium, named after the world-renowned Albert Einstein. You know who he is, right? Yay, arbitrary base 10 rollover. Fermium, named after Enrico Fermi, who developed the first nuclear reactor. Mendelevium, named after Dmitri Mendeleev, who created the entire concept of a periodic table. Yay. Nobelium, named after Alfred Nobel. You know, the Nobel Prize guy. Yeah, that guy. 103. Lawrencium, named for Ernest Lawrence, who developed the first cyclotron. Number 104. Rutherfordium, named for Ernest Rutherford, who popularized the current model we used for atoms, which is known as the Bohr model. Dubnium, named for Dubna in Russia. Yes, that's the place name, because, say it with me, that was where it was created. Hooray. Seaborgium, named after G. Seaborg, or Glenn Seaborg, or Glenn T. Seaborg, or however you want that name to appear, a scientist whom shared discovery on 10 elements and worked mainly with the elements beyond the aforementioned uranium, which is transuranic. He also witnessed this element being named after him, which must have been awesome. Bohrium. Well, remember that guy who popularized the Bohr atomic model? Well, Niels Bohr was the guy who invented it. Hassium, named after the Latin name for a region where this element was first discovered. Hessen, in Germany. Number 109. Metrium, or however you may pronounce that, named after Lise Meitner, who discovered nuclear fission. You may be able to see a pattern here, with all those faces looking at you. Darmstadtium. This name comes from where this element was discovered, in Darmstadt. Roentgentium, named after Wilhelm Röntgen, who figured out how X-rays work. Copernicum, named after Nicholas Copernicus, who did some planetary things. Yay. Ununtrium. This is an element without a name. Its current name is a placeholder for an inevitable future one. Side note, this name means 113, which is its atomic number. Flerovium, named after Georgy Flerov, a Russian scientist who led discoveries in Dubna. Ununpentium, another placeholder name, which means 115. Livermorium, named for the Lawrence Livermore National Observatory, whom helped with the element's discovery. Ununseptium is another placeholder name, and Ununoctium is another placeholder name, meaning 118. I will do separate videos as more elements are discovered, which they inevitably will, so look out for those. So, we did it. All 118 elements, their names and etymologies. Wow. I must thank you guys for supporting me in this, so thank you. You can click here to watch parts 1 and 2 which you probably already have, and click there to support me and my channel, aka subscribing. Anyway, I've been Zepherus, and until next time, goodbye.